Okay, no issue. Topic I already have shared in WhatsApp group. Okay, I'll be sending it to you. Okay, Allah Hafiz, beta. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, am I audible to all of you?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
very good. Abhiya, do recitation, beta.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنا آتيناك الكوثر فصل لربك وانهر إنا شانئك هو الأبتر صدق الله العظيم.
Subhanallah, Sadaqallahul Azim. Amna and Reja, beta, open the video of yours. Very, beta, daily I have to tell it to you. It's very bad. And Amna, now I will not tell it to you. I will remove you directly. Strictly, I'm saying it. Whosoever will off the camera, I will remove them. I won't warn them. Danish, are you ready? Abdullah Danish.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let more students join us. Abdullah Danish, unmute yourself. Yes. Which topic have you selected?
Has technology help in connecting people or isolating them?
Okay, come on, start right now. I'm making video.
Good morning to the excellencies, my dear teacher, my respected teacher, and my dear friends. I would like to speak about has technology has connected to people or isolating them. Social media makes people more depressed because people are showing off too much. You can't trust everything you see. Uh, Not everyone is as happy as the Instagram story looks like. We all feel we all feel emotionally incomplete, sad and depressed. The cell phone is the worst thing that could happen to society. Society pictured the family sitting on the restaurant. And in a restaurant, everyone is using cell phone. It is at once blessing and curse. But at the same time, technology helps a lot. It plays a huge role in each person's life. In this high tech, technical modern world, it takes less than a second to drop a message. You can connect with people all over the world. Uh,
Very
it
nice, very
has
good.
own benefit. It has own benefit. With don't get attached with people on social media. Uh, Use as much as you can. Thank you.
Very good. Danish, it's really very good. You speak very well. The content is very nice. But the thing you have to improve is practice it again and again because you are stuck. Again and again, you are getting stuck now because something you forget. So whenever you forget anything, now don't आप उस वक्त उसको याद नहीं करो, जस्ट चेंज द लाइन क्विकली. ठीक है बेटे? समटाइम इट हैपेंस, हम किसी चीज को याद करते हैं, वो लाइन हमारे माइंड से निकल जाती है. सो यू शुड नॉट रिमेंबर दैट. ठीक है ना? आप उसको कंटिन्यू कर लें बाय एडिंग डिफरेंट लाइन. ठीक है? एवरीथिंग इज फाइन. जस्ट मेक अ वीडियो ऑफ योर्स एंड सेंड इट टू मी इन माय पर्सनल नंबर. ठीक है? एक अच्छी सी वीडियो बना के मुझे सेंड कीजिएगा. एंड दैट यू हैव टू केयर अबाउट योर gesture postures, each and everything, your body language. ठीक है? एंड डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज एट द टाइम. अच्छी सी वीडियो बना के सेंड करेंगे आप मुझे. ठीक है? ओके. नाउ फातिमा मोहसिन.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fatma and I am from year 16. Today my topic is responsibilities make students more responsible. Student life is the happiest and the most crucial period in the life of a person. Student life is a phase where a person acquires the values of hard work for better grades, discipline, punctuality, teamwork, unity, and more to become a successful and good human being. It is a period of time that prepares them to face the upcoming challenges. A school is the second home of a student. Students are the future of our nation. Students are also supposed to be punctual. Being late for class creates a negative impact on their grades. Every student should make their discipline and be obedient in any way of life. It will be great for their future. Thank you.
Very nice. Fatma, you have to make a video of that and you should send it to me. ठीक है dear? Excellent job. Very good points. Okay. Now who is having the turn? Zahid and Khalid. You both are logged in, but only one video is on. The first time you are joining the class, then the assessment is going to start. Congratulations. Okay. And Zahid, open the video of yours. Khalid, where is Zahid? Everyone should open the video. Otherwise, I will remove. You both can sit together in one camera. No need to log in with another ID. Why are you logging with two IDs? Okay. Sakib, open the video of yours. Otherwise, I'm removing you. Okay. Who are the next participant? Dania? Dania, unmute yourself. Reja Bete, you did not make video of yours.
Teacher, in my home there is no electricity, that's why I cannot do it.
Okay.
At 6
No.
a.m.
But try to make the video and send it to me.
Okay, I will make today and I will send you.
Okay, no issue. Please, Anaya, Khalid, Amna, Dua, and Zahid, open the video. Otherwise, I'm removing you. Abia, you wish to do again? Yes, Abia.
very same topic, traffic system.
You wish to do right now?
Yes.
Okay, let me make a video. Abia, the most important thing, you have to make a video in that. Do not move frequently. ठीक है ना? The video which you have sent it to me, na, in that you are moving frequently. Try to stand in a position and use your hand gesture and other gestures. ठीक है? Okay, let me Okay, start it now.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Abhi Imran of class 6 screen. Today, I am here to give you a speech on the topic traffic system. Yes, the thing in my homeland I want to change is traffic system because of safety and economic development. First of all, the improving of traffic system will become safety to the people in my country. Nowadays, people and transport are rising quickly, but car and bikes are very crowded. As a vehicle amount, if we will not improve the traffic system, it will be very dangerous for us, and at the rain, the road can slip very badly, and there will a number of accidents and a number of deaths. For stopping this accidents, we have to make a traffic system better. We have to make roads better so the traffic system will not be a lot. And when the traffic system occurs, the vehicles pollution come out, and this pollution was very bad for our air and very bad for our earth. So we have to save from this pollution. Okay. Now I will say that traffic congestion caused by our vehicles, not by our people. The vehicles when the vehicles crowded, then the traffic occurs. Thank you.
Very good.
Teacher, me.
Okay, very good, very nice. Abhiya, learn the content by heart. You did not learn it. Fine, you are using the paper right now, na?
Teacher, some I have learned and some I.
Okay, no issue if you are using a paper or something to help you out, but you should face the camera. Fine, maintain the eye contact. You should look at me. Fine. Just few expression you have to improve. Zahid, Mois, and Abdullah Farhan and Khalid. I'm removing you because the camera is switched off. G Amsal, your turn it is. Amsal, get ready. Now come on, start.
Miss, I didn't practice at home.
What did you say? I did not get the voice. Today is your turn, Amsal. Do let me know, have you prepared it or shall I remove you?
Miss, I didn't prepare, but I will give it tomorrow.
So I'll be cutting your marks. Whosoever will not practice, I will be deducting their marks. The specific day I have given you, you have to share. Otherwise, I'll be cutting -1 daily. Mark my word. You will delay it, you will be getting less marks. Because the students who are doing on time, I will not do unjust with them. Okay? Be punctual. Khalid, okay, I'm removing you. Saqib and I open the video, otherwise I'm removing you. Mois, open the video of yours. Abdullah Farhan, have you prepared it? Abdullah Farhan, have you prepared it?
टीचर नहीं, आपने वो बच्चों के नाम लिए थे इसलिए मैंने नहीं करा था.
Try to take part in the competition, try to practice a lot. In this manner, you will not be able to take part in that. Fine? When I'll be taking the final one, I will not take you in this manner. Okay? If you don't practice, the practice is very important for you. Mois, open the video, otherwise I'm removing you.
Well, what is the topic?
The topic I already have shared in WhatsApp group today. Number 1 topic, responsibilities make a student more responsible. Overall, technology has isolated people or connect people. Fine. And number 1, what would you want to change and why? These are the 3 topics you have to do in that. Select any one topic and prepare a speech on it. Am I clear to everyone? Okay. So, anyone else wish to practice today? Anyone else wish to practice? Okay. Any topic which you did not understand from zero term assessment? जी बेटे. Do you wish to ask any question? साकिब. जी हरियान बेटे.
टीचर आप एक दफा 10th चैप्टर का रिव्यू दे सकते हैं?
Definitely बेटे, why not? Sure, I will give it to you. जी फातिमा बेटे.
आप preposition का थोड़ा सा रिव्यू दे सकते हैं?
Okay, no problem. I will do it बेटे. Anyone else? Only 2 days we are having, today and tomorrow. Then afterward you'll be having the Eid al-Azha holidays, and after that you are having paper. Is this clear to everyone? So in 2 days, whatever you wish to review now, do let me know. Ji Rija bete.
टीचर मुझे भी preposition समझना है थोड़ा सा रिव्यू
Okay, I'll be doing it. Ji Sahib bete. Sahib Sahib.
कंप्यूटर नहीं हो रही है.
Any topic you wish to review? Okay, quickly I'm reviewing
No,
the
teacher.
first topic, preposition. Listen carefully. Let me open the document. Okay, preposition. Okay, I'm sharing the screen. I want everyone carefully look at it. Now listen it carefully. Today I'm reviewing preposition. Look at that. What is a preposition? Preposition is a word class. Word class means parts of speech. Where do we place it? We place it before noun or pronoun. Position क्या है इसकी? आप इसको noun और pronoun से पहले place करते हैं. Why do we place it? We do place it before noun or pronoun to create the relation of noun and pronoun with other words. ठीक है? Noun और pronoun का relation हम create करते हैं with other words with the help of preposition. ठीक है dear? Am I clear to everyone? We have studied 3 types of prep. There are so many prepositions: prepositional phrase, compound, double preposition, and simple one. But we have done only 3: simple preposition, double preposition, and compound preposition. Only 3 we have done. Okay. Simple preposition, it contains only one word. For example, he sat on the chair. So here all these prepositions, like there is some milk in the fridge. She was hiding under the table. The word these are underlined, these all are simple preposition. Okay. Compound preposition. Compound preposition consisting of 2 or 3 words. Fine. No matter, all the words are not preposition in that. Fine. For example, according to, because of. Double preposition consists of 2 preposition, 2 simple preposition. When we join it, we create 2 double preposition like inside, outside. Yes. Any question, my dear? Ji Abhiya, you wish to ask any question? Rija bete, the topic is clear to you?
Yes, teacher.
Fatma bete, is this clear?
No, miss, now it is clear. I also want to understand the preposition.
Is it clear now?
Yes.
Very good. Fatma, clear? Okay. Now the second topic is tenses. Aryan, open the video of yours and please carefully observe. Okay, are you all able to look at the screen right now?
Yes.
This was the worksheet which I have given you an assignment. Is that so?
Yes.
Okay, listen it carefully. In simple past, in simple present, and in simple future, what do we do? Look at the sentence. If it's simple present and the subject is third person singular. For example, he, she, it, and name. So we will be using S form. S form mean like watches, catches, fine, kills, treats, makes, S form. These all are S form. We use it with he, she, it, or name. When we make negative, we do add does. ठीक है ना? Which helping verb we use? Does with he, she, it, and name. ठीक है ना? If the subject is I, we, you, they, we use do. For example, look at the example. In the worksheet I have given you, he flies a kite. Fine. If I'm making interrogative, does he fly a kite? क्योंकि does के साथ already es आ चुका है ना, now fly के साथ ies replace हो जाएगा, and I'll be using fly. ठीक है? He does not fly a kite. ठीक है ना? Is this clear? Okay. Here in the continuous one, you will be making, how will you make? He is flying a kite. He is not flying a kite. Is he flying a kite? If it's perfect one, he has flight a kite or, ठीक है ना? He has not flight a kite and has he flight a kite? Perfect continuous. He has been flying a kite. Look at that. It's he is sleeping. It's also present tense. Look at that. When I make the indefinite tense, I'll be using he sleeps. And in perfect when, he has slept and he has been sleeping. And then look at that third one. Did he not listen? Was he not listening? Has he not listened? Has he been listening? Fine. In this manner you have to make. This is present perfect. Has he finished? Here you will be using does he finish? Is he finishing? Has he been finishing? Am I clear? So in this manner you have to do out this. Did they spend? Were they spent? ठीक है ना? Had they spent? ENT. Fine. Has they been spending? Look at that future one. Will it rain? Will it be raining? Will it been rained? B-E-E-N and R-A-I-N-E-D, rained. Will it have been raining? Now they had done. Justify the tense. Past perfect. So when will you make indefinite? So they did. Fine. They were doing. They had been doing. Yes, anyone wish to ask any question? Is this clear to all of you? Ji Rija, you wish to ask anything? Aryan, is this clear?
Yes.
Any sentence which you did not understand, you can ask me. Quickly ask the question. If you did not understand any specific tense, ask the question. You have 5 minutes more.
Teacher,
Fatma, you wish to ask?
teacher,
आपने जो लास्ट टेस्ट में न्यूज़पेपर हेडलाइन दी थी वो हम कैसे हेडलाइन बना सकते हैं?
Bete, it was very simple. Na? Look at the picture. Fine. The accident occurs. Fine. At roundabout, mention the place over there. Only one sentence you have to mention over there. Use simple present tense. I meant S form. Ji Khalid, you wish to ask? Anaya, Zahid, bete, please open video. Amna, Saqib.
टीचर आप परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस एक दफा बता दें फिर
Which perfect continuous? Present, past, or future?
टीचर बता दें समझ नहीं आए थे
मिस
Bete, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, or future perfect continuous? Which one?
मिस
टीचर थ्री
There are 3 perfect continuous.
टीचर दे टीचर present past and future
Okay, all 3 you wish to understand. So listen it carefully. The structure is subject, helping verb, third form, and object. Write in the copy.
okay
The structure is subject, helping verb, third form, and object. Present perfect. Listen it carefully. He has decorated the class. Past perfect. He had decorated the class. Future perfect. He will have decorated the class. Clear?
yes
If you make negative, he has not decorated the class. Present perfect. Past perfect. He had not decorated. Future perfect. He will not have decorated the class. Or interrogative do inversion. Bring helping verb before the subject. Has he decorated the class? Question mark. Had he decorated the class? Will he have decorated the class? Question mark. Am I clear? Just
yes
you have to follow the structure. Subject, helping verb, third form, and object. Yes, Fatma, I have observed you. Anaya, beta, you wish to say something? Anaya?
miss
Ji.
miss can you explain present perfect
Present perfect. Okay.
yes
Listen it carefully. Subject, helping verb, third form, and object. This is the structure. Okay. When do we use present perfect tense? When we have done our work. जब आप काम कर चुके होते हैं and it has relevancy with the present. ठीक है ना? जब it is related to present as when it has relevancy with present tense. So we use present perfect tense. Otherwise we use past, simple past. Now how are you differentiated? अगर आप काम कर चुके हैं और इसका कोई रिलेशन नहीं है प्रेजेंट के साथ, you will be using past tense. ठीक है? For example, I did my work. Fine. अब आपने yesterday किया, yesterday morning में किया, yesterday night में किया, so you will mention in this manner, I did my work yesterday. I cannot use present perfect tense over there because I'm talking about yesterday, the past moment. लेकिन आपने काम किया है अभी. Fine. In a current situation, you will be using I have done my work. Subject, I. Helping verb, have. Third form, done. Object, my work. I have done my work. When I'll make negative, I haven't done. I have not done. Have I done? Or intro negative. Haven't I done or have I not done? Both are fine with question mark. Is this clear, Anaya?
yes
Is this clear? Use the thumbs up option or raise the hand.
yes
Okay, yes, Abhiya. Abhiya has the question.
Yeah, I know. Teacher, I know how to use the continuous in the past and present, teacher, but I have a little bit confusion to use in a future tense.
Okay, no issue बेटे. Look at that. When the work is in progress, जब कोई काम continue होता है, whether वो past में हो, future में हो, present में हो, we use present or like the progressive one or the continuous
Means
one.
ing.
G. We use ing in that. You know, it means the work is continue. काम कोई आपका जारी है, अभी भी still continue है. अब वो past में है, तो you will be using past continuous. अगर present में है, तो you will be using present continuous. और अगर future में है, तो you will be using future continuous. For example, अभी मैं कर रही हूँ in a current position I'm doing now. I am conducting the class. ठीक है ना? You are taking the class. मैं ये नहीं कह सकती you are giving the class. नहीं कह सकते ना? You are taking right now. Okay. Use the word carefully. A student cannot give a class. They are taking the class. ठीक है ना? Okay. Now listen carefully. If I'm talking about the past, yesterday I was taking class at that time. Clear? Tomorrow I'll be taking class in the same time. Is this clear? 9 a.m. sharp is my timing. Yesterday I was taking class at the time. Right now I'm taking class, and tomorrow I'll be taking your class at 9 a.m. sharp. And the duration is the same. Any confusion, Abhiya?
No, teacher, thank you.
Very good. Yes, Fatma Mohsin, ask the question.
Thank you for explaining.
Always welcome, my dear.
वैसे हम हर तरह के एक्सीडेंट्स के साथ अकर्स यूज करते हैं.
No, बेटे, it's really not important. बस आपको S form use करनी है. ठीक है ना? आपको न्यूज़पेपर हेडलाइन में हमेशा प्रेजेंट सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस यूज करना होता है. ठीक है ना? लाइक बम, आप अगर बता रहे कहीं बम ब्लास्ट हुआ है, सो आप किस तरह लिखेंगे? आप मुझे बताइए.
There is a bomb blast.
The newspaper headline, how will you make? Just think about it and share with me. जी आमना, ask the question.
मिस आप वो फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटीन्यूअस बता दें.
मेरा बच्चा अभी तो बताया था. ओके ठीक है, नो इशू. Listen it carefully. When the work you have finished in future, ठीक है ना? जब आप फ्यूचर में काम कर चुके होंगे, अभी का तो नहीं पता. It's about future. ठीक है ना? Listen it carefully. Subject, helping verb. ठीक है ना? In future perfect we use two helping verb. Will plus have. ठीक है ना? And third form and then object. ठीक है ना? Like she will have done her assignment. ठीक है? She will not have. When you make negative, आप will के बाद not लगाएंगे, have के बाद नहीं लगाएंगे. She will not have done her assignment. Will she have done her assignment? In this manner you will be making it. ठीक है?
Okay. Yes.
Okay, very good. Anyone else? Khalid, you wish to ask the question? Okay, already I have taken 3 minutes more. Fatma Mohsin, listen the headline, madam. Have you done, made it? Or shall I share?
No, miss.
G. बेटी जब कोई इंसिडेंट हो जाता है ना, एक्सीडेंट, तो हम यूज करते हैं लाइक एक्सीडेंट अकर्स ओवर देयर. Accident occurs at Karachi. Or if I mention the place, I'll mention accident occurs at New North Karachi, the place I have mentioned. Fine. A very severe accident occurs at the place. You will mention or roundabout. अगर आप चौरंगी की बात कर रहे हैं. So the bomb blast happens at roundabout or some place you will mention. ठीक है ना? जी बेटे खालिद.
टीचर प्रेजेंट फ्यूचर समझा रहे हैं.
Present simple tense. It's very easy, bete. If the subject is third person singular, Khalid, listen carefully. If you ask the question, you should listen it. Be attentive. Face the camera. Okay. Subject. If subject is third person singular, he, she, it or name, you will be using S form. Like he makes a project. He does not make. अब make के साथ S नहीं लगेगा. Does के साथ already you are using na. He does not make a project in this manner. Okay, the class time ended. Tomorrow we will continue it. Allah Hafiz, my dear. Have a good day. Prepare more question. Tomorrow we will do revision only. So you can ask many questions. Do prepare it and ask tomorrow. Okay? Good luck for your assessment and enjoy the Eid holidays. Okay na? खूब barbecue कीजिएगा. Okay, have fun.